Hey, guess what day it is today?
New van day today.
Hey,
Yeah, about to head off and pick up the new van.
should we go and see what it's all about and what it's
What
like?
do you reckon? Yeah, okay.
Let's go. Well, come on, are you coming? Let's go.
All right, I've got to get all my gear. All right.
We got the kids with the grandparents now. I'm waiting for you. Let's go. All right, so excited for fan day?
Yeah, sure am.
Yes, can't wait. It's been too long, hasn't it? Like
Yeah.
we came back about a year and a half ago. And if you haven't seen any of our first WA trip, go and watch some of those videos. Like, the scenery is absolutely beautiful. Like, highly recommend it to anybody. However, we did sort of stop the videos pretty abruptly. Sorry, everybody. But now we're picking up our new van and we'll be off travelling again.
Yeah, hopefully we can get back into travelling again.
Absolutely. So probably a couple of things is you might want to know, why did we stop the videos? Like these people putting up videos randomly, all these YouTubers, yeah, right. Like, but thank you so much to every one of our followers. It's been awesome for you to follow this journey with us, and thank you to those also who have reached out to see how we're actually going. So that means a lot, so thank you so much for that. But long and short of it is, we're all good, the kids are all good, but we did have to come back for a couple of, well, medical specialist appointments, I guess you could probably say. Now, we can go into that in another time, but really it's with the kids, and when the kids get older, I'll leave it up to them to sort of say what it's all about. But I guess it's just one of those things. Let it be known that if you're a family travelling with neurodivergent kids, or kids with complex medical needs, I think is probably how they normally put it, we hear you and we see you, and we feel for you also. However, by travelling, I guess you get like these amazing experiences, and you can live a life that's a little bit more probably different, I guess you'd probably say. So yeah, I just wanted to put that one out there. But anyway, enough about that. Then what caravan are we getting?
Yeah, so I don't know, should we tell them or should we wait for that to get revealed?
Oh, I don't know. I always hate it when you're like, wait to the end and we're going to reveal it.
Well, it is a little bit different from the last van. So,
fancy.
like with everything, there's no point in getting exactly the same thing. So, some of the things that we worked out with the old van that we would have liked to have improved on. Hopefully, we're doing that with this new van, and yeah. So when we get there, you'll be able to see it as well.
I can't wait. But yes, it's definitely a bit of a step up. Maverick Viper was an awesome caravan, so if you're ever looking for a pop top, I can highly recommend go see Ethan down at Mavericks. He was absolutely awesome to deal with. However, at the moment, as families grow and change and all of that sort of stuff, your vans grow with you, don't they, really?
They certainly do.
So now we've found a van that suits our needs now, and we'll show you a little bit about it, and come for the handover with us. We'll see if we can capture a few bits and show you what it's all about.
Yeah, very rarely will you end up getting your forever van, because things change, families change, where you go changes and all that. And I think my parents said that to me, and they've been caravanning like for so many years now, and they've gone through about 6 or 7 caravans, and they just work out that you always work out either issues or problems, or something that works well or doesn't work well. So don't ever get hung up on like your forever van, because that very rarely happens, and you end up sort of changing and evolving as your holidays and destinations change.
And your electricity supply changes need as laptops, and kids grow with laptops and devices, and it's just ongoing, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Alrighty, let's go. We're almost there.
Let's check this out. All right, let's have a look inside.
But I'll get to that in a moment. This is amazing. Oh, I like the colours. Look at him there. Alright, well let's hook it up and go. Alrighty guys, can you notice anything we did differently in this van? We'll give you a full rundown like when we get it back into our house, but just wanted to show you the initial excitement of picking up brand new van. Oh, I haven't even looked in here yet. You got a full bathroom. Awesome. Shower. A washing machine. Never had one of them before. That's a bit fancy. Oh, nice. And Tim loving all the numbers. And away we go. So working out, look, it's happening. And I want to show you guys something. Look what's behind. Okay, a dirty windscreen, don't see that. But anyway, have a look what's coming with us. Can you remember how to tow a van? It's been a while.
I've got to remember now, don't I? Yeah.
Alright, we'll get home and we'll show you guys a little bit more about it.
We've got our van back.
It almost feels like home again, like, and it fits in the driveway.
Yes, that was a success. When we built this van, we were a little bit cautious about if it was actually going to fit in or not, and we measured it and measured it, and yeah, because we have to make like a 90-degree turn to get it into the front yard, and yeah, it fit. So yep, we're here.
And you might have noticed it's a tad bigger than our other one, and very shortly we'll go through and we'll show you all about it because we're very excited to show you all through the van.
Yeah.
And I know you've got a lot of ideas coming up for a lot of just little mods, hacks, whatever you'd like to call them.
Yeah,
so that's going to be interesting.
Yeah, because there's always going to be things that you want to set up on the van, things that you change a little bit, customise things a bit as well. So yeah, I'll get into that, and yeah, if you're interested, yeah, have a look at some of that stuff. So that should be quite good.
And I guess on that note too, you might notice a few different changes on our YouTube channel coming up, which I can't wait. Some of you have asked me about it, and I really enjoy editing, so that I'm really excited to get back into it all. But I'm also going to include a bit of information too about planning. There goes a bus. About planning how to plan your big lap, because right now we're looking at doing another big lap, and we've done it all before, not more than once. And so I guess we've gathered up a lot of information over the time. So we're going to be putting up some information about that on our YouTube channel. However, I also know that a lot of you guys like vlog style adventures. So what I'll do is I'm going to try and make it so the thumbnail really stands out. So if you want to hear some information all about how to plan your big lap, click through and check that one out. But otherwise, if you don't want to and you want to stick it out and just wait, I guess, for our next travel adventures, they're not too far off too, so a little bit of a hint there, I guess.
Yeah.
And you've got some good ideas coming also.
Yeah, that's it. So so yeah, I'll be going through the van, on the I suppose on the maintenance side of it, and there'll be things that I'll hopefully pick up on the van and change and just do your general maintenance on. So yeah, I'll put some things together there. So yeah, once again, if you're interested in that sort of topic and that sort of content, then yeah, have a look at that. It should be good.
All right, we better get packing and get this van ready. If you are interested in seeing how our journey all started with YouTubes and all of that sort of stuff, have a look at our first video that we created when we went to start our last adventure. And there's been a bit that's changed since that, but it'll give you a bit of an idea of, I guess, how we travel. So check that one out. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video.
Absolutely. See you then.